about time you showed up, slowpoke.
Shadow, what have you done?
Say goodnight, blue boy. Any last words, Sonic?
Yeah. Volcano Wonder Pants!
What? That doesn't even make
I'm gonna look totally awesome when I superimpose my character skin over this.
You have the reflexes of a panther.
Is that an insult? I thought panthers were fast.
Maybe compared to you.
This footage is even better than I imagined. I gotta go home and program it into my game.
Why are you doing this, Shadow?
You'll pay for the things you said about me.
You mean that stuff Eggman recorded? I didn't say anything bad.
What are you implying?
I don't know. What are you inferring?
That Eggman manipulated that footage to manipulate me?
Yeah, he'll do that.
I cannot allow Eggman to make a fool of me. He must pay for this.